Here we have back-to-back real wood-burning fireplaces. That's the outdoor one on the patio. This is the indoor side. We have fire bricks that make a brick pattern on the bottom. We have herringbone on the walls of the firebox. You'll notice the firebox starts curving upward and it continues making that curve till the dampener, which pushes the smoke up through the dampener into the flues. There's two individual flues, and this is what the construction side of fireplace looks like. And there's also brick ties you'll see that get mortared into all the cinder block that goes around to complete the masonry part.